Okay, so most of you who have ever shopped at Aldi's here in the States, they know the Knoppers, right? But a friend of mine actually brought me two other different Knoppers from Germany. And now let's just explore the differences. So let's first start with the ordinary Knoppers, which most of you know when you go to Aldi's. So basically, Knoppers, it's more like a cookie, as you can see here, and it's layered. So that is actually the standard Knoppers you can actually buy at Aldi's. Now, I have the Knoppers coconut bar, and the German name is Kokosriegel. Riegel, that's the German name for bar. And now let's just check this one out. And okay, so the first thing you see, so just again for comparison, so you see both is the Knoppers brand, but the bar is actually covered completely in chocolate. You know, let's just see how it looks from the inside. So you see it's actually also layered, but apparently we have like a caramel layer here, and then we have the standard like Knoppers layers. But what's interesting, you see we have two of these white layers instead of just one. And of course the original Knoppers has just a chocolate covering at the bottom. And then we have another Knoppers here, and let's just open this one as well. And that's a Nussriegel, so that means it's a nut bar, so with nuts. And let's just cut this one open as well. And oops. Okay, but what you can clearly see here now, that indeed we have nuts in here. And if we compare this to the one with coconut, the coconut one has absolutely different layers here, two of the white layers. The nut one has just one white layer. And if you want to compare this to the standard Knoppers, you see we have quite a difference. Yeah, so these are the three kinds of Knoppers. I have two of these are the bars we got from Germany, and one is the original Knoppers, which you also can buy at Aldi in the United States.